Yes.
Welcome to all students in this class of mathematics. I will go to read the function as the form of inverse function, and it is called invertible function. Invertible function is that type of function when two functions, one function, and that function is one and onto function. Means if any given function is one and onto function, then we can find the reverse function. Means function reverse. Suppose that function a to b is given. A function a to b is given. Means domain of the function is a and range of the function is b. Means the function have domain a and range b. Then the function is defined as function a to b, and this function is one onto function. And if the function is one onto function, then we have to find a function whose domain is b and codomain is a. If domain is b and codomain is a, then that function is called inverse of the function f, and that is called invertible function. Means the function which can exist a inverse, means a function whose inverse can be exist, then that function is called invertible function. The special case of the function invertible function means condition of the invertible function is that the function which is one and onto. When the function one and onto, then we can exist an inverse function of the given function. It is the condition of the invertible function. Hence, we can define the invertible function if function a to b is one onto function is defined by any rule. We have seen in the previous classes, every function is defined according as rule. Suppose that, for example, suppose that f is a to b, means a and b are two functions, and the fx is defined as 2x minus 1. It is fx equal to 2x minus 1 is the rule of the function. Hence, we can find the image of the some element which is in set A. Means we have to find the image of every element of set A in the set B as this rule. Hence, the function a to b is one onto function. It is defined by any rule. Then the function g b to a means the next function, the other function whose domain is b and codomain is a. Means for some element in set b, some have image in set a, and this function is called inverse function of f. Then the function g b to a is inverse of the function f a to b. We can define the invertible function as other method. We know that any number which is inverse of the number, then its operation is in identity. Similarly, if f and g is inverse function. If inverse of function f is function g and g is the inverse of function f, then the composition of f and g will be identity function. Then we can say that the invertible function, if two functions is inverse to each other, then their composition will be an identity function. When now we have to find the image. Then the inverse function of f is denoted by f inverse. Means f and f inverse will be a function. Means f and composition of f and f inverse will be identity function denoted by f inverse, and f inverse is equal to g. Means the inverse of function f will be denoted by g. Means g is the function which is inverse of function f. Then g is the function which is inverse of the function f. Then f inverse equal to g. It is denoted by f inverse, which is f inverse. Now other definition for the invertible function. Other definition. If two functions f and g are given such a way, two functions are given such a way, f for g, their composition is an identity function. Then the function f is inverse of f. Hence, two functions f and g are two functions f and g. If g of f equal to I, g of f equal to I, then the function g is inverse of f. G will be inverse of f, and g of f equal to I with identity function. Example. We see about an example of invertible function, or we can do. We are going to know a method to find inverse of any function, such that here given a function real number to real number. Example. Any function f defined as real number to real number, means two sets are given. First set is the set of real number, and second set is the set of also real number. Here two sets are to R. It means a function defined on the real number to real number. Then and it is defined by a rule fx equal to 4x plus 3. Fx equal to 4x plus 3. Then we have to find inverse of f. To knowing inverse of f, we means let's consider fx equal to y. Then y equal to 4x plus 3. It is a function whose variable is x. We now going to change the function and real variable is y. Means we have to change this function as the x whose variable is y. From this example, y minus 3 is equal to 4x. Here, y minus 3 is equal to 4x. This implies x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. Y minus 3 by 4. Then inverse of f inverse of f inverse x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. This is the function. And according to this rule, if the function R to I is given, then in the real number to real number, again f inverse x is also real number to real number. Means if domain of the f inverse is real number and codomain of the function is also real number. Means real number to real number function is inverse on the real number to real number. Means if given function is defined on real number to real number, then its inverse is also defined to real number to real number. The function in the other example, we can see that if function a to b is defined, then f inverse will be defined as b to a. Means domain of function f gets codomain of f inverse, and codomain of function f gets as domain of f inverse. It is the
सर रोक दिए।
some condition for invertible function. Means every function cannot exist as inverse. Means we cannot exist inverse of the every function. Means every function is not invertible function. Invertible function is that function whose inverse can be exist. And we know that every function is inverse of every function cannot be exist. We can exist the inverse function of that function which is 1 1 and onto 1 1 and onto. Suppose that two functions two set a and b are given and with elements of a, b, c and p, q, r, etc. p, q, r. Suppose that the function is 1 1 but not onto. In this way, it is function. It is fx. If its inverse is defined, then every element of set B has to some image in only one image in set A. For inverse of the fx, if inverse of the fx, if inverse x can be defined as A to B, B to A, where element of B is P, Q, R, and S, and element of A is A, B, and C. Since the A has image P, then P has the image A. For inverse function, every element of set B has some image in set A, and the root of inverse, the P has image A, Q has image B. From reverse rule, R has image C, but S has not any free image in the function fx, and hence the S has not any image in the inverse. Then this function cannot be defined. This function cannot be defined. It can be defined if S has some image. If S has one image in set A. If S has some image in set A, then in the fx, S has the free image in the set A. Yes, if S has free image in the set A, then fx will be onto function. This function is 1 but not onto. The not onto is the bad condition of our bad condition for existing the inverse function. Then the function is not inverse function. If the function is inverse, then S has some image in set B. Hence, this function is not inverse of the F. Hence, we can find only 1 onto function as the inverse function. It is the condition of invertible function. It is only two important condition for the inverse function. First function, if function A to B is 1 function, 1 function. Function A to B will be 1 function, then we can find the inverse of F. And the second condition is function A to B will be onto function. If any function satisfies this both rules, both conditions, then the inverse of the function can be exist. Now we know about the function. If inverse of the inverse means we have to find the function such that inverse of the inverse function means if any function whose inverse is f inverse, then the again inverse of the f means inverse of inverse function will again find the fx, means again find the function f. Hence f inverse whole inverse is equal to f. It is the identity rule of the function. Now we see about some problem on the inverse function. In the paper example, we said show that we have been achieving the inverse of the function. Inverse of the function fx 4x plus 3. Now in this problem we have to find this function. So we have to show the function fx is invertible function. For showing the invertible function means showing any function is invertible function, we have to show that the given function is 1 function and the function is onto function. In the previous example, we have seen function real number to real number, means a function is defined as a set of real number to real number, and such a range fx is equal to, means it is root of the function fx equal to 4x plus 3. 4x plus 3. We have to show this function is invertible function, means its inverse can be exist. If its inverse can be exist, then the function is 1 1 and on 2. First of all, we have to show that this function is 1 1 function. So that fx is invertible function. Invertible function. We know that any function is invertible function if that function is 1 1 function and onto function. If fx is 1 1 and onto both, then fx is also invertible function. We have to show the fx is invertible function. First of all, we check the condition for the invertible 1 1 function. To check 1 1 function. In the first exercise, in the first topic of the function, that was 1 1 function. We had varied the function about 1 1 function, onto function, min 1 function, into function, etc. Similarly, we check about this function for 1 1. See, fx is let x1 and x2 is element of domain real number, means domain. And fx1 is equal to fx2. If fx1 is equal to fx2, then fx1 will be equal to 4x1 plus 3. And fx2 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. 3 and 3 can be cancelled. This implies 4x1 is equal to 4x2. 4 and 4 will also cancel. This implies x1 is equal to x2. We find that when fx1 is equal to fx2, then x1 is also equal to x2. Hence, the function is 1 1 function. 1 1 function. Now, I go to check the onto function. To check onto function. Let fx is equal to y. This implies y equal to 4x plus 3. If y equal to 4x plus 3, this implies y minus 3 is equal to 4x. And then x will be equal to y minus 3 by 4. Now, for this rule, if every real value of y minus 3 is real, and y minus 3 by 4 is also real, or y belongs to real number, y minus 3 belongs to real, this is y minus 3 by 4 is also real number, then fx is onto function. When for every value of y as real, the x will be also real. Hence, the function is 1 1 onto function. Now, we observe that the given function is 1 1 function and onto function both, and the function satisfies the both rule, the 1 1 and onto. Hence, the given function is invertible function, means the function satisfies the both conditions of invertibility and then. Therefore, the given function is invertible function. Invertible function. In the next class, we will read about some problem and some theorems about the invertible function.